We shall overcome someday.
Tension and chaos erupted inside the High Court in Kampala on Thursday morning after Justice Emmanuel Baguma declined to refer Dr. Kizza Besigye's case and that of his co-accused to the Constitutional Court. Supporters who had packed the courtroom in anticipation of a favorable ruling broke into protest immediately after the decision was read. Supporters who had packed the courtroom in anticipation of a favorable ruling broke into protest immediately after the decision was read. Leading the chaos was Mariam Obeid Lutale, daughter of Besigye's co-accused Obeid Lutale, and a parliamentary candidate for Lubaga North under the Patriotic Front for Freedom Party. Overcome by emotions, Mariam broke down in tears and charged towards the judge's bench, accusing the court of injustice. Security officers from the counterterrorism unit and prison service quickly leaped over benches to restrain her as the courtroom descended into confusion. The scuffle lasted several minutes, with officers struggling to drag Mariam out of the courtroom as her belongings and shoes were scattered on the floor. Justice Baguma, however, remained calm and composed throughout the chaos. Mariam was later detained at the Central Police Station in Kampala. Her charges were yet to be confirmed by the time of filing this report. When Kam returned to court, Besigye's lawyer, Martha Karua, pleaded with the court to order Mariam's release, describing her outburst as a moment of emotional distress. Defense lawyer Frederick Mpanga also apologized to the judge, saying the incident reflected the growing frustration among the accused and their supporters. He criticized what he called excessive security deployment at the court, saying several supporters were blocked from entering the premises. During the same session, one of the accused, Captain Dennis Ola, expressed joy at seeing his mother for the first time since his detention. He asked the court for a brief moment to speak with her, a request Justice Baguma granted before adjourning the proceedings to December 4th, 2025. The case continues to stir controversy. Earlier, Besigye's legal team had requested that Justice Baguma steps aside, citing a pending complaint against him before the Judicial Service Commission for alleged bias and incompetence. They had also asked the Constitutional Court to determine whether a judge under investigation can continue presiding over a case involving the complainants. But in his latest ruling, Justice Baguma insisted that a complaint before the Judicial Service Commission does not legally disqualify a judge from handling a case. He ruled that disagreements with judicial decisions should be addressed through appeal, not by attempts to remove a sitting judge. He also rejected a separate defense request to transfer the case to International Crimes Division, maintaining that the High Court's Criminal Division has full jurisdiction. The dramatic scenes in court highlight rising tension surrounding Dr. Kizza Besigye's ongoing trial, a case that continues to attract sharp political and public attention. Story compiled by Judith Kukunda for Uganda Radio Network in Kampala.